Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the 9th giveaway of 2023. I've been upstairs, the computer's done its thing and we've got a winner which I'm going to show now. Right Ian, all you need to do is send me an email, that's me, email up there, I'll get those in the post here as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I've got one or two bits and pieces that have been sent in to be given away actually. If you want to enter this month's giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, obviously watch this video, like and share it, and in the comment box you need to write 2023 giveaway 10. Okay, so it's 2023 giveaway 10, but in that direction. Then my computer will pick your name out and you'll win a prize. Right, I'm going to show the prizes for this month's or rather next month's giveaway. These are the prizes for next month's giveaway. Double Boost Cup. These are made by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Rob's also a sponsor of my YouTube channel. There's a nice Imperial 0 to 1 inch micrometer there. It's actually a Starrett. That one says Starrett Great Britain. Got a depot number on. It's a nice little micrometer. Somebody gave us 2 of them last week. I've got Imperial micrometers that I use, and I've got one that's too good to use, so I'm going to give that one away. Set of outside calipers. These are handy. I use them all the time on the lathe. It's old-fashioned technology, but it works. There's no battery to go flat for a start.